Welcome to HQR. In this quick tutorial, we'll show you how to confirm if you have met program credit requirements. From the dashboard, you will find Program Credit on the left menu under Program Reporting. Click on Program Credit. This is the Program Credit Report page. Let's check on the Q4 2020 Discharge Quarter Submission. From the drop-down menu, choose Q4 2020. Click Change Selection. The green banner reveals the ECQM submission credit for promoting interoperability has been met this quarter. You can export this report by clicking the Export button. Now let's check IQR. Here we see the ECQM submission requirements have also been met. You can export this report too. And that's it. Look for more quick tutorials at hqr.cms.gov/support.